Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add up and down effect in CapCut PC using transition. Alright, so select your images or videos you like to edit. And I set for the image duration and 1.0 seconds, so you can adjust for the image duration and menus, settings, and edit years. You can adjust for the image duration. So go to transition and select the basic, and you can find the up and down. So download for the transition, and for the first transition you can select the up and just for the duration in 0.3 second, and for the second you can select down just for the 0.3 second, and so on. Down, sorry. So after done, you can see for the result, and you can also add the effect you like. Go to effect, select video effect. For instance, I'm going to select the commercial shack spirit duration, and I just put the range for the 30 and the speed for 15. Alright, so this is the final effect you'll have in your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.